Hello, everybody, and welcome to this month's 2-minute update. We have a very special location this week. We're at Channel Futures. We're at Channel Futures because Braver Technology was nominated as one of the best managed service providers in the country. So, very happy to celebrate this and so happy to be here. We're going to be here. Very happy for everybody who came to our open house last week. Thank you so much for coming. So excited to see all of you in person. For those of you who weren't able to make it, we still want you to drop by and come see our new gig. It looks great there. We really want to show off all the technology that we have. We just want to see you and say hi as well. So please stop by and see us. 2 weeks ago, we did our quarterly cybersecurity training. We did this on how AI is affecting phishing and how it is causing attempts at phishing for your team and why they're really good at it and how to prevent it. So watch that webinar. The link is below. Really important information on there on how the new technology of AI is affecting the phishing environment. The other thing we want to talk about is a webinar coming up this week on Section 179, how to get the most out of tax evasion. We're going to have some CPAs on there to show you how to leverage that, and also some people regarding a strategy of what you can do to leverage that. What can you do with the Section 179? Well, for those few of you who have not updated your Server 2012, this is really key time for you to get that updated and get that going. Use that Section 179 information with the Server 2012. Really important. We sent out this notice to everybody who has one. We cannot get support on Server 2012 anymore. That's it. Microsoft cut it off. Microsoft has also cut off underlying support issues with Server 2012 that also may affect you. So it's really important to get that server upgraded and up to date. Last thing I want to talk about, we have another webinar coming up that's going to be all about digital transformation and how digital transformation can benefit and affect your organization. Keep a lookout for that. It might be in the information below. So also excited about that webinar. That's it. So our first on-site live 2-minute update. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.